Okay, Geronimo! Theme Park Guy at YouTube.com. Whoa! Yeah! Woo! What? Okay. There I go. Woo! Yeah! Oh, catching air.
Hey guys, Theme Park Guy here. So a little bit of an incident happened while I was trying to film the Aqualoop slide with my GoPro. The guy running the ride originally wouldn't let me ride with my GoPro on because he said the back of the harness would damage the slide. But then he changed his mind and decided to let me ride it just one time. And of course, on my one chance, I screwed up and only filmed half of the slide. Funny story is, I remembered my GoPro wasn't on at the top of the loop. So enjoy my point of view of the Aqualoop slide, or at least half of it.
Crap.